Hello and welcome to the video. This project shows one way to make a miniature food dehydrator to display in kitchens, food preparation, or nutrition sets, or in store scenes. It measures approximately 1 1/8 in height by 1 1/8 in diameter. Materials are listed below the video. I use 2 thin plastic caps and 5 plastic rims from water beverage bottles. Try to take the rims off without misshaping the circle by gently squeezing the rim and pulling to one end, then lift over the turn ridges. Parts and pieces for the project. You can use tacky, E6000 glue, or super glue. For the center column of the food dehydrator, I use the plastic tube from a necklace flower lei. It can be clear or white. You need one approximately 1 1/4 inches in length by 1/8 diameter. To make the 5 trays, glue 5 plastic circle rims to white non-woven mesh. Press. I am using paint bottles to hold it down. When dry, trim excess non-woven mesh from around the rim. Curved scissor edges may be easier to cut with. Depending on the diameter of your center plastic tube, cut either a 7/64 inch or 1/8 inch diameter from the tray centers. I made a template using a Picket Circle Radius Master stencil. Place the template under a tray. With pencil, trace and draw the circle part to remove. Use craft knife with the mat and scissors to cut out the center holes. Make sure the plastic tube slides through each tray. Cut 5 1/2-inch quilling strip pieces for the inner tray rims. Glue quilling strip around the plastic tube and slide off. Then glue the piece around tray rim and place the inner quilling paper circle on it. Press, repeat, for the remaining 4 trays. Next, push a quilter's pin through one side of one plastic lid. This will be for the electric power cord on the base. Paint the outside of the base piece. If using acrylic paint, apply a matte sealer when dry. You could also spray with paint made for plastic. For the electric power cord, cut a 2 1/2-inch piece of kite string. Then paint it black to match the base. Punch 2 mini cardstock hearts. Glue one end of the cord string to the bottom center of one heart. Then glue 2 1/2-inch pieces of clear plastic store tag bits on each side of the string. Glue a second heart on top. When dry, cut the plastic store tag bits, or prongs, and trim the plug sides, just so it's narrower. Paint the plug black. Paint prong ends silver. Apply a matte sealer to the plugs. Back to the bottle base. Insert toothpick into the pinhole and roll around to make the hole slightly larger for the kite string cord. Slide end of string into the hole. Tie a knot from the inside and pull through. Tuck knot below the inner rim of the cap. Punch 2 1-inch cardstock pieces, one white and the other silver. You could always paint that another white one silver. Punch a 1/4 inch hole in the center of them. You can also make a template stencil for that. Glue the 2 1-inch pieces together and press. Then glue the 1-inch piece inside base, silver side up. Press, remove excess glue. Glue a large silver circle piece to the center silver cardstock piece. Make sure the tube goes through it. Glue small silver circle piece to the front center of the cap base, opposite of the cord knot. Glue a 1/8 inch circle cardstock piece inside the whole circle silver piece. Glue a dial, a triangle ellipse shaped piece in the center of the circle. And 3 silver dots, 1 on top and 2 on either side of the dial base. These can be stickers or cut out paper bits. Glue rectangle piece to the left of the dial. Color top half green and bottom half red. Color dial and dots black. Apply generous amounts of sealer to front and sides of the dial and the power light indicator rectangle shape. To make the top of the lid of the dehydrator, drill or press a hole with a pin in the top center of the second plastic cap piece. Use craft knife to enlarge the hole so the plastic tube easily slides through. Trim bits inside the cap if needed. Flip over, glue decorative textured 3/4 inch clear circle piece with a 1/4 inch center circle to top of the cap. Then glue a large silver circle on top, center. Assemble the food dehydrator. Insert plastic tube through each tray. Place tray set into the base center circle with the tube. Gently press trays together. Add the top piece. Adjust as needed. Trim the top of the tube so 1/16 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch is above the lid. You could place the food dehydrator next to the blender juicer from my previous video. You can fill your mini trays with lots of mini foods. I hope you like and share this mini video. Thank you so much for watching.